Hi, I'm Mithila. Just joined here today.
And I'm Akash.
I am facing plenty of problems with my office work. Can you help me with these?
What kinds of problems are you facing, Mithila?
Some of the office tools are unfamiliar to me, and I don't know where I can learn those. I am only available after office hours. Can you help me with these?
Don't worry, Mithila. I am pretty much familiar with a platform that can help you with free learning resources.
Really? Please tell me in details.
You just need to subscribe a YouTube channel called DeshTechno. Their learning resources are completely free of cost. Here is the more details. Please note the details of DeshTechno.
I'm so excited, Akash. Thanks for your help.
Happy to help. Enjoy!